So I am just going to be starting out by putting on some press-on nails. You don't have to do this, you could paint your regular nails, but I chose to go ahead and apply some press-on nails just so I have some longer nails for this video. So I just applied these and now I am ready to start painting them. So I am going to be using this gel polish right here from imethod Beauty. This is the holiday collection. This comes with 6 different gel nail polishes. It does not come with a top coat or a base coat, but you can purchase that through the same brand. I'm going to be giving you guys my review on this gel polish and showing you how I apply it, and I'm also going to be showing you guys all 6 gel polishes. This gel polish is 100% vegan-free, cruelty-free, top 9 free, and also longer wear. So I will be putting that longer wear to the test, and at the end of the video, I will give you guys an update on how well this gel polish lasted. You can purchase this on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Also, you can go to all the social medias that are listed on the back of this box that I'm pointing to right now. So this is what the inside looks like. Like I said, there are 6 different gel nail polishes, and this is what the up close of the container looks like. It's got a little unicorn on the front, and it's just black. This shade is 103. It is a beautiful red shade. This would be perfect for 4th of July or Christmas. It is such a pretty red shade. Next is this beautiful glitter. It is 114. It is kind of a gold but also silver glitter, if that makes any sense. It is so pretty. I'm going to actually be using this one so you guys can see how it looks on my nails, but this glitter is so pretty. And then next is this 118. It is also a more of a glitter shimmer nail polish. It's a deep red. It's super pretty also. Next is this light pink mauve color. This is super pretty. It would be perfect for like a springtime nail. Next is this beautiful light blue metallic shade. I'm actually going to be using this one also for my nails. This is just a super pretty blue color. It's like shiny. It's just really pretty. And I think it's perfect for springtime. Then the last one is this one right here. It's 121. This is more of a maroon pinkish color. Like there's hints of maroonish red, but there's also like hints of pink in it, to me anyways. I don't know if it really shows that on camera, but in person definitely is really pretty. All of these shades are super pretty and I love them all. Now I'm going to start painting my nails. Like I said, I'm going to be using these 2 shades right here, 120 and 114. I am going to be creating some kind of maybe like springish look with these colors. So I'm going to start with that pretty light blue shade, and I'm just going to be picking a couple fingers and painting them. I forgot to mention, but off camera I did apply a base coat before I started painting with the actual gel polish. So far I really like this polish. It's going on super easy. It just glides on, and it's very pigmented for the first coat, especially since this is more of a metallic glittery shade. It's not super thin. So I have used a lot of different gel polishes, and some of them can be really thick to the point where it's hard to actually paint your nails because the polish is just so thick. and it just doesn't go on smooth, and there's like patches where you can see like bumps and stuff in the polish. But this is going on super smooth, and like the consistency of the polish is like more like, I would compare it to like a regular nail polish. It's not super runny or anything, but it is like, I think it's like the perfect consistency. It goes on great. It's not super runny, but it's also not super thick that I've seen in a lot of gel polishes. So I am just going to be painting these 3 fingers with this blue shade, and then the other 2 fingers I will be painting with that glittery shade. So after I painted the first coat, I am going to stick it in my LED light for 30 seconds, and then I'm ready for the second coat, and I'm going to start with the second coat. You guys can see that it's not super thin. Like, you definitely wouldn't even have to do a second coat if you didn't want to. Just using the second coat is going to make that shade pop even more and be even more pigmented. So I'm going to go ahead with the second coat and paint those same nails. I really can't get over how smooth this nail polish is going on. Like I said before, I've struggled a lot with gel polish going on like kind of lumpy or like not like even, and I can't get it even. And this is going on like completely even, and it is so smooth. So now I'm just going to go ahead and paint the rest of my nails with this glitter shade, and I have never seen a gel polish this much glitter and sparkle. Like, this is the first coat and you guys can't even see through it, and those were clear nails. So it's unreal how sparkly and glitterly this polish is. So far I've had this polish on for a little over a week, and I have not had any issues. The polish, like, I have no scratches or chips or anything like that. And before in the past with different gel polish, I've had issues with the polish just like peeling off like a sticker, or at least chipping by now. So I really like this gel polish. I think it's really good, and I can't wait to use some of the other colors in future nails. Like, I'm really impressed with how well it worked and how well it applied. I'm impressed with how well it's lasted and held up. Like I said, there's not even any chips on my nails, and it's been almost 2 weeks since I applied it. So if you are looking for some gel nail polish, I do recommend this brand. The polish lasted for a good amount of time. Like I said, it went on perfectly, no chips or scratches. The colors are super pretty, and that's a bonus. So I'm going to keep using the other colors, and I can't wait to try that. Probably next time I'm going to try it on my real nails instead of applying some press-ons, and see how well it lasts on my real nails, if that has any difference in it. So yeah, here is the final look of what my nails looked like. I'm super happy with them. They turned out really cute. I did go ahead and add some little nail art. I had some stickers. They're little sticker rhinestones, and it looks super cute with how the nails turned out. So I'm super happy with all of it, and I definitely recommend this brand. Like I said, I will be leaving the link for this nail set down in the description of my video if you are interested.